It's the end of the road once again for the Chrysler 300C. Chrysler's pulling the plug again on the V8 300 just a few weeks before the 300 goes away altogether. Now the 300C, this version of it at least, was kind of like a rebodied Dodge Charger Scat Pack. It had a 6.4 liter V8, 485 horsepower, 480 something pound-feet of torque. The 300 has kind of been a cultural icon for years now. I mean, it's on the Midnight Club cover. It plays a prominent role in Breaking Bad. It was everywhere in the early 2000s. And like all things, trends change. The big American sedan, that's pretty much dead. And what's coming next is electrification. Now, the next 300, that's gonna be an electric car. We don't really know what shape it's gonna take or if it'll even be called the 300. That's where Chrysler is going next. As for the brand itself, well, baby, the Pacifica is the lone survivor. If you want a Chrysler, for whatever reason, you need to get the minivan. That's your only option. Because the 300, is now our dearly departed friend. Let's just hope it's revving away in the sky, enjoying itself on some big 26-inch dub wheels. Rest in peace to a real one.